Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED strip connectors that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Honoson 5050 RGB LED Connector Kit. The Honoson RGB Connector Kit offers a comprehensive solution for your LED strip needs. With multiple connector types, including female wires and various male connectors, you can easily customize and expand your lighting setup. This kit is compatible with both waterproof and non-waterproof 10mm SMD 5050 RGB LED strips, making it versatile for different applications. Installation is a breeze. No tools or soldering are required, so you can quickly set up your LED lights without hassle. Whether you're connecting strips or adjusting angles around your home, this kit simplifies your lighting projects. Moving on, at number 4, we have the HitLights 12-pack LED connectors. The HitLights LED connectors are designed for versatility and ease of use. These connectors are compatible with a wide range of LED strip lights, allowing you to illuminate various spaces in your home, from the living room to the kitchen. Their transparent design not only looks sleek, but also lets you see the inner workings, making installation straightforward. You won't have to worry about soldering. Simply plug in your strips and tighten the screws. Plus, these connectors are reusable, making them perfect for both DIY projects and commercial applications. At number 3, we have the L-shaped LED Connector Kit for 4-pin light strips. This connector kit allows for both 90-degree corner connections and extensions along a straight line for any 4-pin 10mm wide SMD 35-28-5050 multicolor LED flexible strip lights. It offers a solderless solution that creates a quick, solid connection without the hassle of soldering. The connectors are versatile and can go both left and right, no matter in what orders are the RGB Plus marked on the connectors. The kit also includes extra couplers and detailed instructions. At number 2, we have the Zhengmy LED Strip Connector Pack. This Zhengmy connector pack is a great combination of 20 transparent LED strip connectors, 1 connector pry, and 16.4 light strip cable. It is compatible with most LED light strips and solid wires. The connectors provide a stable and flexible connection without the need for stripping insulation or soldering. They are easy to operate and apply firmly, making your light strips more awesome in reducing the dark area. This connector pack is perfect for anyone who wants to connect their LED light strips with ease and convenience. And finally, at number 1, we have the LED Strip Light Connectors Kit. The LED Strip Light Connectors Kit is an easy and safe way to connect RGB LED light strips without soldering. Made of professional flame retardant material, the connectors are durable and compatible with all 10mm wide 35-28-5050 non-waterproof LED strips. The upgraded design includes a positioning slot at each connection port and triangular plates for easy installation. The kit includes 40 connectors and 2 open tools, backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime support. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.